So YEP is here in New Orleans doing a one-of-a-kind event with the American Planning Association, APA, in partnership with their National Planning Conference, their annual conference that is all over the country. And YEP had a great idea of partnering with the APA organization to put on a youth engagement activity, a workshop of 4 hours with over 100 students from the Boys and Girls Club of Southeastern Louisiana. And we are so excited to have this partnership and to teach kids about urban planning, and then to also teach our planners how to include youth in their planning process. And so this has never been seen before, and we are so excited to have this event here in Louisiana.
Youth take everything that they've learned in this environment and they take it home. They tell older siblings, they tell their parents, they tell their grandparents, they tell the other people in their lives about what they learned. And the kind of unexpected outcome that comes from that is they are now more engaged. The parents and the other adults in their life see that this is something that was important to their child. This is something that their child got excited about, excited enough to come home and tell them about. And it starts to make them kind of a little more curious and them wonder a little bit more. So then they start looking through some of the materials that their kids have brought home, and it makes them much more likely to go to that community meeting, much more likely to fill out that survey, much more likely to engage in a way that can kind of be a heavy lift for a lot of adults. Not everyone has time to go to night meetings or go to public hearings in the middle of the day. And so by giving them that in through their child, giving them that vocabulary that contextualizes a lot of the things that they're seeing either on flyers or seeing in their mailers or seeing on town websites, and gives them an in to start communicating in a much more meaningful way.